Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, US Immigration. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about August 2024 Visa Bulletin, an in-depth analysis of family and employment-based categories. So, to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for upcoming episodes. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. August 2024 Visa Bulletin, an in-depth analysis of family and employment-based categories. In this video, we will delve into the August 2024 Visa Bulletin, which marks the 11th bulletin for the fiscal year 2024. This bulletin provides crucial insights into future immigration trends and expectations, especially focusing on priority dates for both family-based and employment-based categories. Our goal is to provide a detailed comparison between the July 2024 and August 2024 visa bulletins, highlighting significant changes and what applicants can anticipate in the coming months. July 2024 VS. August 2024 visa bulletins. Let's start by examining the final action date charts for both family-based and employment-based categories. The final action date chart is critical as it indicates when USCIS is actively processing visa applications. If an applicant's priority date is on or before the listed date, their application is considered current and will be processed soon. Conversely, if their date falls after the listed date, they will need to wait for further processing. Family-based immigration. Family-based immigration is categorized into 4 preference levels based on the relationship between the sponsor and the applicant. These categories include F1 unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, F2A spouses and children of permanent residents, F2B unmarried sons and daughters of permanent residents, F3 married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, and F4 siblings of U.S. citizens. Each category is subject to different chargeability areas, including China, India, Mexico, the Philippines, and all other countries. Due to the global pandemic and limited consular appointments, family-based visas have seen low usage numbers. Unused family-based visas are then transferred to the employment-based categories. Final action dates for family-based categories: August 2024 vs. July 2024. F1 unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, no changes for all chargeability areas: China, India, Mexico, and the Philippines. F2 spouses and children of permanent residents, no changes across all chargeability areas. F2B unmarried sons and daughters of permanent residents, the only change is for Mexico, advancing from July 8, 2004 to July 15, 2004, a 7-day advancement. F3 married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, no changes for all chargeability areas: China, India, Mexico, and the Philippines. F4 siblings of US citizens, Mexico, saw a slight advancement from April 28, 2001 to April 30, 2001, a 2-day advancement, while all other chargeability areas remained unchanged. Filing dates for family-based categories: August 2024 vs. July 2024. F1 unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, no changes. F2 spouses and children of permanent residents, significant advancement from November 1, 2023 to June 15, 2024, an advancement of 7 months and 14 days. F2B unmarried sons and daughters of permanent residents, no changes. F3 married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, advancements for all chargeability areas: China and India from October 1, 2010 to January 1, 2011, a 3-month advancement. No changes for Mexico and the Philippines. F4 siblings of US citizens, slight advancement for Mexico from April 28, 2001 to April 30, 2001, a 2-day advancement. No changes for other chargeability areas. Employment-based immigration. Employment-based immigration is divided into several categories, including EB1 priority workers, EB2 professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional ability, EB3 skilled workers, professionals and other workers, and other workers and others. Each category also has chargeability areas, including China, India, Mexico, the Philippines, and all other countries. Final action dates for employment-based categories: August 2024 vs. July 2024. EB1 priority workers, no changes across all chargeability areas. EB2 professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional ability, only India saw an advancement from June 15, 2012 to July 15, 2012, a 1-month advancement. EB3 skilled workers, professionals and other workers for India, the date advanced from September 22, 2012 to October 22, 2012, a 1-month advancement. No changes for other chargeability areas. Filing dates for employment-based categories August 2024 vs. July 2024. EB1 priority workers, no changes. EB2 professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional ability, only India saw an advancement from June 22, 2012 to July 22, 2012, a 1-month advancement. EB3 skilled workers, professionals and other workers for India, the date advanced from October 1, 2012 to November 1, 2012, a 1-month advancement. No changes for other chargeability areas. Implications and future projections. The August 2024 Visa Bulletin reveals several key trends and potential future movements. Family-based categories. The slow movement or stagnation in family-based categories, except for minor advancements in specific areas like F2 billion for Mexico, indicates ongoing processing delays likely exacerbated by the pandemic's impact on consular operations. The significant advancement in F2 filing dates suggests an effort to clear backlogs and prioritize immediate family members of permanent residents. Employment-based categories. The advancements for India in EB2 and EB3 categories are notable, reflecting ongoing efforts to address the substantial backlog for Indian applicants. The stagnation in other categories suggests stable demand and manageable processing times for other chargeability areas. Detailed analysis of each category. Family-based immigration. F1 unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. The lack of movement indicates that the backlog remains significant and applicants should not expect rapid advancements in the near future. F2 as spouses and children of permanent residents. The significant advancement in filing dates suggests prioritization of this category, likely due to its importance in maintaining family unity for permanent residents. F2B unmarried sons and daughters of permanent residents. The minor advancement for Mexico highlights ongoing efforts to address specific regional backlogs, but overall, progress remains slow. F3 married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. The 3-month advancement for certain areas suggests some progress, but the lack of movement for Mexico and the Philippines indicates persistent regional challenges. F4 siblings of U.S. citizens. The slight advancement for Mexico is a positive sign, but the overall slow movement underscores the challenges in this heavily backlogged category. Employment-based immigration. EB1 priority workers. The lack of movement across all chargeability areas suggests stable demand and manageable processing times, indicating that this category remains well regulated. EB2 professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional ability. The 1-month advancement for India is a positive development, reflecting ongoing efforts to address the substantial backlog for Indian applicants. This trend is likely to continue as more resources are allocated to this high-demand category. EB3 skilled workers, professionals and other workers. Similar to EB2, the 1-month advancement for India in EB3 categories indicates efforts to manage the significant backlog. Applicants in this category should continue to monitor future bulletins for further advancements. Practical steps for applicants. For those navigating the immigration process, understanding the implications of the visa bulletin is crucial. Here are some practical steps. Stay informed regularly. Check the visa bulletin and USCIS processing times to stay updated on priority dates and application statuses. Legal assistance. Consider consulting with an immigration attorney to better understand how changes in the visa bulletin affect your specific case and to strategize the best course of action. Document preparation. Ensure all necessary documents and evidence are ready for submission as soon as your priority date becomes current to avoid any delays in processing. Plan ahead. Anticipate potential changes and delays by planning for various scenarios, including possible retrogressions or slow advancements. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about August 2024 Visa Bulletin and in-depth analysis of family and employment-based categories. Family-based immigration is categorized into 4 preference levels: F1, unmarried sons and daughters of US citizens; F2A, spouses and children of permanent residents; F2B, unmarried sons and daughters of permanent residents; F3, married sons and daughters of US citizens; and F4, siblings of US citizens. These categories are subject to chargeability areas including China, India, Mexico, the Philippines, and all other countries. Due to global pandemic and limited consular appointments, family-based visas have seen low usage numbers, resulting in the transfer of unused visas to employment-based categories. Final election dates for family-based categories: August versus July 2024. F1, no changes for all chargeability areas. F2A, no changes. F2B, Mexico advanced by 7 days to July 15, 2004. F3, no changes. F4, Mexico advanced by 2 days to April 30, 2001. Filing dates for family-based categories: F1, no changes. F2A, advanced by 7 months and 14 days. F2B, no changes. F3, advanced by 3 months for all chargeability areas except Mexico and the Philippines. F4, Mexico advanced by 2 days. Employment-based immigration. Employment-based immigration includes categories like EB1, priority workers, and EB2, professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional ability, and EB3, skilled workers, professionals, and other workers. Final election dates for employment-based categories: EB1, no changes. EB2, India advanced by 1 month. EB3, India advanced by 1 month. Filing dates for employment-based categories: EB1, no changes. EB2, India advanced by 1 month. EB3, India advanced by 1 month. Implications and future projections. Family-based categories show slow movement likely due to pandemic-related consular delays, while the significant advancement in F2A filing dates aim to clear backlogs. Employment-based categories, particularly for Indian applicants, see notable advancement, reflecting ongoing backlog management. Practical steps for applicants: stay informed, regularly check the Visa Bulletin and USCIS processing times, legal assistance, consult with an immigration attorney, document preparation, ensure readiness of all necessary documents, plan ahead, anticipate changes and delays, and prepare for various scenarios.